13 YouTube video ideas for beginners in 2022. So if you're looking to grow your channel, maybe you have 0 subscribers and you've never published a video on YouTube, or you have maybe a few hundred subscribers, this video is for you. So if you're just getting started, what I recommend doing is creating videos for search results. That's the easiest way to get views when you don't have any subscribers. For example, I started a new channel 6 months ago. The very first video I published on that channel having 0 subscribers and 0 views was this one that now has 15,000 views, and the channel only has 900 subscribers. So if you want to create content that gets in front of people, no matter how many subscribers you have on your channel, think about the questions your ideal audience has and create videos answering those questions. The first YouTube video idea are tutorials and how-tos. Just to give you a little bit of an idea, here are just some of the tutorial videos or how-to videos we have on this channel. It's quite a few, and they show up in search results day in and day out. So think about what are things that your audience wants to learn how to do and create a tutorial or how-to video. Video idea number 2, a product review. So think about the different products you use. So we have a couple of videos like that on our channel. So a camera review, a lighting review, a microphone, a computer, a phone, headphones, a yoga mat, what you use for cooking. So think about the products your audience may be looking to purchase and create a product review. Video idea number 3, a comparison video. So this could definitely be product related. So ConvertKit versus MailChimp, or comparing 2 different Sony lenses, or the new iPhone versus the new Samsung phone. But there are a bunch of other comparisons you could create, such as waking up in the morning or staying up late, the keto versus the paleo diet, running versus cycling. Think of 2 or 3 things that you could compare in a video. Video idea number 4, an unboxing video. So if you just got something new, you haven't opened it yet, so a new phone, new headphones, new computer, new makeup, new clothes, you could create an unboxing video showing off that new product. Video idea number 5, a transformation video. So think about the before and after of something. So this could be you remodeled your entire home. This could be you've been eating healthy and exercising for the last 60 days, and here's the weight that you lost. So this doesn't have to be something visual like remodeling or losing weight. You see a ton of videos like 30 days of cold showers, 30 days of waking up at 5 a.m. for a month, anything where you maybe did something for a period of time and there was a change before and after. Maybe it's not a visual change, but it's something you can talk about the differences. So hey, after doing cold showers or doing ice baths or meditating for a month or whatever it happens to be, you could talk about the transformation you saw over a period of time. Video idea number 6, let's call how I do what I do. So this could be what's in my wallet, what's in my bag, what's my everyday carry, what are the 5 software that I use every day to grow my business, or what is the gear that I use to record YouTube videos. So think of the things that you use every day to perform whatever it is that your content is about and share those with your audience. Video idea number 7, number best blank or top 10 blank. So think about some list of the top things. So this could be the top cameras in 2022, the best backpacks for new students, the best books for improving your finances. So any type of list of the best of something, go create a video about it. Are you just getting started on YouTube? We have a new 4-week course where we'll walk you through step-by-step how to create your channel, how to create your videos, and how to start growing on YouTube. If you're interested in learning more, check out the link in the description below. Video idea number 8, where the magic happens. So think of the physical place where you do what you do. So this for us could be our YouTube studio set. So to show off the physical location plus all of the different products we use to be able to record YouTube videos. This could be your home gym. It could be the kitchen where you cook every day. Wherever it is physically that you are doing whatever your content is about, why don't you show it off? Video idea number 9, how to start. So think of the very first step someone has to go through to start doing something. So this could be how to start meditating, how to start meal prep so you have a whole week's worth of food, how to start a YouTube channel, how to start a side hustle, how to start online dating. Those first steps, put it together in a how to start video. Video idea number 10, for beginners. So we have a bunch of videos on the channel with the words for beginners on it. For example, we just released a video on DaVinci Resolve 17 for beginners in 2022. The reason we focus on that is for someone who's doing all sorts of things for creating a YouTube channel is probably just learning how to edit videos and DaVinci Resolve. There are entire channels dedicated to just learn how to edit with DaVinci Resolve. And we want people to know, hey, this video is created for someone with no prior experience. Video idea number 11, number tips for blank. So think about 10 tips for training for a marathon, 10 tips to help your kids get better grades, 10 tips to help you grow on YouTube, think of a list of a number of tips that you can put together to help someone achieve X. Video idea number 12, number, mistakes, topic. So this could be 10 mistakes new YouTubers make. It could be 8 mistakes runners make when training for a marathon, or 10 mistakes I made when trying to go vegan. So there are a ton of mistakes that you may have gone through or you've seen other people do, and you could help people ahead of time avoid those mistakes and reach their goals faster. Video idea number 13, hot off the press. So think about anything new that happened and there's no existing content about. So there's this new social media app, there's this new software, a new product came out, something happened in the news, and there's not a lot of content about an important topic. And you can be one of the earlier people creating a video about something that just came out, and you'll show up in search results as people are looking to learn about whatever it is that was just released. Those are our 13 YouTube video ideas for beginners. Which one are you going to use for your next video? Let me know down below in the comment section. Now, if you want help writing the outline for the video you're going to record, check out the video up above. If you want help recording your video, we have a video for that, linked to below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye.